Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name's Rachel and this is Stitched Up. So how is everybody? Hope you're all really well. I have come today to do another unboxing, which I've not done for a couple of months actually, of my Beyond the Pink Door Sewscription box. This is box 32 and it actually arrived last night, but I didn't get a chance to unbox it. So I have been avoiding all the other unboxings that have probably already been uploaded. I know Rowan's uploaded one already. So yeah, it came yesterday and I don't know how I've managed to not open it, but I thought we could open it together today and see what's inside. So here we go. And it looks like Andrea has gone back to her old boxes because the last couple of months they have changed to sort of more a natural card box with pink writing on. It's white with pink on, and then this is the old style box, but I do believe she has had this box in planning since the early part of this year and needed this box for it. It feels very heavy, so I am really keen to see what's inside. Shall we open it and see? Okay, before we start, I am still in my PJs. I'm getting ready for work. It's early Friday morning and I'm in my Jackson tee because I made a Jackson tee for nightwear to wear with shorts. So yeah, it's just in some black jersey from First for Fabrics. Right, okay, so inside we have, wrapped in purple, my favourite colour, and a little card which says it's a good day to have a good day. And then on the back, we've got the QR code, which we scan, which takes us to the ebook to accompany this month's box. And yeah, this is box 32. It says this month's box contains 2.5 meters of fabric. There is one colorway. I am interested to see what is in here. So first things first, we have, oh, I'm excited. I'm really excited already because I've only looked at the labels, but I'm guessing what the fabric is from the labels. Okay, so we've got a pack of Little Rosy Cheeks bespoke labels. Andrea's done this before in her first advent calendar she did a couple of years ago. She got some bespoke gorgeous labels from Little Rosy Cheeks. This time they say sewing is in my jeans. I'm assuming that is going to be a little teaser of what the fabric is this month. So they're gorgeous. Let's just open them and have a closer look, because it's not like I need any more labels. I must have hundreds of labels now, but you can never have too many. They don't take up a lot of room, do they? But anyway, there we go. Sewing is in my jeans. I love that. That's brilliant. Brilliant. So we've also got some thread. So we've got two lots of thread in the same colorway, but one is a top stitching thread, I think, which is that one. And that one is just a normal Gutterman polyester thread, both in the same colorway. So I think you're going to guess, if you haven't seen any unboxings already, which I'm sure you have, you can guess what the fabric is. We've also got some sweets. These are bubbly sweets. Oh my word, I've not had these for years. Excuse the nails, by the way, they need doing. Yeah, these are like Anglo bubbly sweets. Wow, yeah, these are really old-fashioned sweets actually. I remember having those as a kid. And then the fabric. Wow. Oh my word, it's absolutely gorgeous. So we've got a denim, and this is, it feels like a raw denim. It's got like a crosshatch weave on it, and yeah, it is absolutely stunning. It's fairly heavyweight. I would say it's a medium to heavyweight, so there's no drape on this. Really structured, and I have an idea what I want to make with this already. I can't believe I'm even saying that, because when I was up at Frocktails last weekend, well, prior to that, let's just wind it back a bit more. So a couple of weeks ago, Rowan put out a vlog about denim jackets, and one of them she mentioned in that vlog was the Sienna Maker jacket by Closet Core Patterns. And the reason she was drawn to that pattern was after seeing the lovely Lucy, who is Geek Petite. She's made it in a beautiful sort of teal coloured linen. And Ruan mentioned that she wasn't bothered about that pattern until she'd seen Lucy's version and absolutely loved it. So when I was up at Frocktails last weekend, I was staying at Lucy's on the Thursday night and we were just chatting sewing and all that kind of stuff. And I spotted this jacket on her coat rail just by her front door and had a really good look at it, and it is absolutely gorgeous. The details on it are amazing. So I actually really want to make that jacket out of this. I think that will be gorgeous. I do already have like a little denim jacket. I've got my Sorrento by Sew Over It, but something that's a bit classier. Well, not classier, but it's just a different style, isn't it? Let's face it. I think a denim jacket, a Sienna Maker jacket made out of this, I'll put a picture of it here, will be absolutely beautiful. So that's what this is going to be. I've decided already, which is amazing. It's gorgeous, really nice. That's the reverse. And 2.5 meters is going to be absolutely plenty for that jacket, I'm sure. I love how it's got this subtle sheen to it. That's really coming across on screen when I'm looking at it. I hope that comes across to you guys at home when you can see it. So yeah, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I love it. So this month, I think that's everything. Now, one thing I was a little bit worried about was when I got my box yesterday, and it comes in like a pink outer wrapper, and the pink outer wrapper felt really sticky, and I thought, what is this? It didn't smell of anything or whatever, and there was nothing on it that I could see, but it was one of those things where when I took the box out of the wrapping, I had to wash my hands because they were all really sticky, and there was a little bit of it on the box as well, and I was really worried, thinking, is there something inside that's leaked? But then I thought, how can it have leaked onto the outside of the packaging? But anyway, thankfully nothing has leaked and we're absolutely fine. So we've got these beautiful labels from Little Rosy Cheeks that obviously you're not going to be able to buy anywhere else because they are bespoke to the box. We've got some gorgeous top stitching thread and the normal all-purpose Gutterman thread as well, and little sweets which me and mine can share later, can't we? And our beautiful denim fabric that is absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, I love it. Let me know in the comments below what you think to this month's box. I have to say the last couple of months have not been ideal for me. But that's the thing you get with a subscription box, you know, sometimes you're going to love it, sometimes maybe not so much, and the fabric in the last 2 months has not been my favourite. However, this month is absolutely gorgeous. I love it, and I think this is the first time that Andrea has ever put denim in her subscription box. So yeah, it's going to be great, and I feel so inspired to make that coat with this fabric. Right, short but sweet from me today, and yeah, I will be back with you soon. Take care. Bye.